Hello students, this is Trupti teacher from Sodawala Lane English MPS. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson number 6, getting to know the place we live in. Students, do you know how does a town form? We all live in villages or town, but how is it formed? Let me tell you. In very old times, before man began farming, he lived a nomadic life. He was dependent on hunting animals and gathering fruits, roots, and bulbs for food. Later, man learned to grow crops. Yes, he began to settle where he found suitable land and water. Yes, here you can see in this picture. Yes, people began to build houses in such places and settle there. They began to help each other in farming too. Yes, they began to help each other in farming. Their houses were close by, and thus settlements were formed. The settlements began to grow bigger, and many settlements merged together to form villages. Yes, and people felt safer living in such settlements. Right, children? Very good. As farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. One person could not do all of them, so work was divided between the people. For example, making wooden implements, repairing them, weaving clothes, making jewelry, and making clay pots. Thus, there were artisans engaged in different occupations, right? In this picture, you can see children jewelry, yes, wooden implements, pottery. People are busy in weaving clothes, right? Very good. Which historical building, monuments, objects, etc. are seen in your area, children? Can you tell? Okay, good. See, a village, town, or city has buildings such as temples, caves, churches, memorials, forts, museum, etc. A place become known by these buildings, right? They tell us about the richness of the place. They help us to understand our history, and these buildings are our treasure, children. They must be protected. To protect them is our responsibility. Yes, if you visit these places, you should put everything, your rubbish, in the dustbin, right? You should not make this place dirty. It's our responsibility to protect these places, right? Very good, students. See, this is the picture of fort, right? A place may also become famous because of the religious place, fair, or fort. For example, Raigad district is known for the Raigad fort, right? One more example of Shirdi I will give you. In Shirdi, this place is famous for Sai Baba temple. It's a religious place, right? Like that, the place is famous because of the religious place, fair, or fort. Okay, very nice. See here, children. Here you can see the picture of one of the revolutionary, Shivram Hari Rajguru, right? He was an important revolutionary in India's struggle for freedom. He was one of the three famous revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. Rajguru was born in Khed in Pune district. After elementary education, he moved to Amravati. There, at the Hanuman Vyayam Shala, he took up the cause of patriotism. At 15 years of age, he went to Banaras to study Sanskrit. He knew several languages such as Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, and English. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were his close friends. Later, he took part in revolutionary activities and became a martyr for the country. In his memory, his birthplace has been renamed as Rajguru Nagar. Yes, this is the picture of Sant Gadge Maharaj. Sant Gadge Maharaj's real name was Debuji Jingraji Janorkar. He belonged to Shegaon in Daryapur Taluka of Amravati district. Sant Gadge Baba raised social awareness through kirtan. During his kirtans, he would ask people questions and answer them himself. Why are our people poor? Because they do not have education. He appealed to the people to get educated. He is known as one of the great saints of the 20th century. His village will forever be remembered for his work in his service of people. Yes. So he was the Sant Gadge Maharaj. Yes, students, look at this picture of weekly market. Yes, people are selling their goods like vegetables, clothes, etc., pots in the market. Yes, so how they bring this goods in the market? So using this means of transport. Yes, using like bullock cart, truck, bus. Yes, so they uses this means of transport to bring their goods in the market for selling, and even the buyers come to the market using this means of transport, right? So this is one of the activity, children, which you are going to do. You have to visit the market and then you have to take the interview, correct? But due to this pandemic situation, it's not possible to do this activity now. Okay, so let's revise what we have learned. Many settlements merge together and form a village, right? We have learned how the villages form. Then as farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. Yes, people used to do pottery, then making jewelry, and so many works. Some people become known for their historical buildings. Yes, some places become known for their historical buildings. A place gets its renown from its people and their important deeds. That also we seen. Then essential items are available in market, right? So these all things we have learned from this lesson today. Okay, students, hope you have understood. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.